everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to just be a pretty chill video, kind of like an October vlog. I wanted to showcase the last few weeks of my pregnancy before I have 2 kids, just kind of like what it's like to have 1 baby versus 2, because it's coming quick and I'm super excited. But anyway, a couple plans for today. I have a ton of cleaning to do. My daughter's playing in her room right now. My hair looks atrocious today, and I cannot even fix it because my daughter actually took my hairbrush. I don't know where she just walked off with it somewhere. So I had to use a different brush today, but you know what? That's just the reality of motherhood sometimes. You don't look all perfect and put together, but I'm not even finished fully getting ready yet. I'm still wearing my pajamas, to be honest. But I wanted to hop on here and start this video. And I also want to show you some of the cute clothes that I got from my baby shower for my sweet baby boy when he's born. I'm so excited and so grateful that the Lord has entrusted me with one of his little spirits again, and it's such a blessing to be able to be a mom. I want to share some motherhood encouragement and some spiritual thoughts that have been weighing on my mind lately that I think might help other moms. And so let's just get into this video. I'm super excited to just fill up everyone's cups with how wonderful motherhood is. It's truly something that society has deemed now as not important, but that is not the case, and it is such a joyful journey. So let's get right into it. These are the cute clothes that I got from the baby shower. They are so cute and fun. I've been so blessed in this pregnancy with all these cute clothes. It makes me so super duper excited to meet him. He's going to be the sweetest thing, and these towels I absolutely love. It's just so exciting and fun. I wanted to share a thought today, and that is that it is so important as a mom that we take the time to fuel ourselves in the Word of God before we can really truly be there for our children in a spiritual, physical, and emotional way. Many times in the chaos of motherhood, Christ truly is our cornerstone and our foundation, and he truly has been mine. So taking that time to be there with him before we have time with our children really puts us in the good mindset to be able to mother them the way that he would have us do. I created my toddler this adorable Noah's Ark lesson where you cut out the animals and put them in the ark, and there's also a little lesson to go with it. It was such a fun little activity, and I will leave that linked in the description below. But I just love spending these little moments and being able to access my creative side and do fun things with my daughter. Cleaning is all done and the plants are watered. I have a couple of plants. I've been trying to keep my plants alive. I have this, I fill up my water. I have the plant sitting in the sink because I just watered this one. I'm finally becoming a better plant mom. So, you know, that's one of my accomplishments in life. I just lit this candle to make the house smell nice and fresh. It's my last candle. I'm running out. But yeah, I'm just gonna face it toward so you guys can see. But yeah, the house is clean. I wiped off her kitchen set, did the laundry. I'm about to put her down for her nap, and then I'm gonna film an Etsy updating video. So I will see you then. All right, so for lunch today, I'm making some bean burritos, and I have started to feed my baby girl a new way that has really helped her to be less picky, because I've noticed that if I make something that she really wants, then she refuses to eat like her fruits and vegetables and stuff. Like if she saw that I was making some rolls or something, then she won't eat the fruits or vegetables anymore. So what I've started to do is I will make the fruits and prep the vegetables ahead of time. I'll put them on her tray and she'll usually eat those, and I will not show her any of the other food until after that. So this is the applesauce. She's funny. She usually likes applesauce, but since I'm going to be having vegetables and the burritos, lettuce and tomatoes and stuff, then I'm just going to do that, and I'll give her the applesauce first. And that's what's for lunch. And yeah. So this is the setup that I have so far with the dresser. This is like socks, that's like kind of like medicine and stuff in that drawer. And then like burp cloths. I have them all folded and organized in there for the baby boy. I took all the girl ones out. This is just Elizabeth's clothes right here. Her clothes is so full that, literally. And then this drawer right here, my husband needs to fix it. It's so confusing, I've tried. But yeah, that's just more of Elizabeth's. And down here's the baby boys. Yeah. Are you playing with your dollhouse? Baby boys, shirts and pants. And then the broken drawer. Baby boys, towels, and pajamas. So I said I was going to share a spiritual thought with everybody today. Jeez, that bug. Okay, thanks for interrupting my video. Anyway, I wanted to share a challenge that has really strengthened my life and brought me so much more fulfillment and focus on motherhood and on relationships, everything that is important, that truly God cares about. This challenge is amazing. So I've always lived and loved my schedules. As anybody who watches this channel knows, I love to plan. Like, I literally make plans for my plans so I can make sure that I don't ever miss out on planning things. But I used to always make my schedules for myself, and I never ever thought about like, what would God want me to do today? So when I started praying and asking God before I wrote my schedule for that day, what he thought is the most important thing for me to do that day, then I was able to make my schedule according to his understanding and his knowledge, which has such a wider view than ours. And I found that I didn't, at the very end of the day, feel like I was failing all the time. I wasn't so hard and down on myself because I didn't overpack my schedule more than what I was capable of doing that day, because God knows the future and he knows what we're going to be able to accomplish, and he doesn't want us to end our day feeling like failures. And so this challenge, I want to just present it to everybody, and if it's something that is important to you and that you want to try, then please, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. But yes, I also just got back from my OB appointment at the OBGYN. Everything is good with the baby and things are just great. I'm super excited. It's coming up so fast. I'm not gonna say like the exact dates and everything for his own privacy, but you know, it's right around the corner and I'm super excited.